On People versus Cody Bailey, my understanding is this matter is set for an exam today at 11:30 by Zoom. Mr. Rockheim is on and Mr. Bailey is also present. My understanding is that there's an offer on this matter.
Yes, Judge.
And what's the offer?
The offer is to 3 counts. I will read them out in turn. So count 1 is weapons carrying concealed with blood alcohol content of 0.08 to 0.10, MCL 28.425, K as in kite, 2, B as in boy. That's count 1. Count 2 is controlled substance use, MCL 333.7404, 2, B as in boy.
Give me,
Sorry.
the first one is MCL 285.
28.425.
Wait a second, MCL 28 point,
425.
yep,
K as in kite, 2, B as in boy.
got it. And then controlled substance, and it is
MCL 333.7404, and then 2, B as in boy.
and the third count.
The third count is operating while impaired, MCL 257.6253.
And Mr. Rockheim, you had a conversation with your client and explained that by pleading guilty to these added counts, that he's giving up his rights to have a trial in this matter, and that the felonies will be dismissed, and that he's going to plead to these 3 misdemeanors. You're muted.
Your Honor, I apologize. One
That's
of the, he is also under the age of 24. I should say he was at the time of the offense, which makes him HYT eligible
On the controlled substance.
on the controlled substance count with the prosecutor's consent, which they have given. They have, as part of the agreement, they have not given consent to that, to
Got it.
one being taken under that. And the other thing, Your Honor, is that my client will be able to offer a factual basis to count 1 that will involve his that he was under the influence, but we're entering a plea to 2B, which is of a particular blood alcohol content.
Okay.
That's correct, Judge.
Do you understand all of that, Mr. Bailey?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is it true that on or about May the 16th of last year that you were in Huron Township, you had a weapon in your possession when you were under the influence of consumed alcohol and had above the legal limit, above the 0.08?
Yes.
Judge,
And
he was certainly, he was under the influence. There's no question about that. He actually had other substances in his system, but he was under the influence.
Okay, that's fine. And that you had consumed a controlled substance. What was it? Or no, that was.
That's
Was it?
use the
Was
controlled
it? Is the controlled substance? It's use, right? That site is to use, correct?
Mr. Bailey, you would use a controlled substance without a prescription. Isn't that true?
Yes.
And what was the controlled substance?
Adderall.
Okay. And your ability to drive was impaired?
Yes.
And do you understand this plea?
Yes.
Is it voluntary?
Yes.
Anybody promise you or threaten you to get you to plead guilty in these matters?
No.
Any other questions, Mr. Rockheim?
Mr. Bailey, you've through DocuSign, I sent you a copy of the plea form that outlines all of the charges to which you're pleading, and you understand that as part of the agreement, you'll be placed on probation for a period of 12 months, and there'll be certain conditions that will be imposed upon you and be supervised by the court. You understand that?
Yes.
And do you have any questions about it in any way?
Just as far as me living out of state, that's the only thing.
I'm not gonna restrict you, I won't have that kind of a restriction.
Your Honor, the people do want to state that we are recommending 12 full months of probation that includes drug screening, evaluation, and treatment.
And you understand that under the new guidelines and the new law, that when I sentence him, that I have to advise him that when he successfully completed at 6 months, that he can petition the court for an early discharge.
Yes, it's my understanding he can petition the court and it is within the court's discretion on whether or
Yep,
not.
I just want to make, because I have to make that when I sentence him.
Thank
For
you.
today's purposes, I'll accept the plea. I'm going to put him over for a sentencing with probation officer Rapp. She'll be in contact with you, Mr. Bailey. Can I get a cell phone number and an email from you?
Yeah, my cell phone number is 734-652-9220.
And an email.
My first and last name, CODYBAILEY 2335 at outlook.com.
And is your hard address the Middle Belt Road in Flat Rock?
No,
What is it?
it's 538 Emerald, EMERALD Drive in Chesterton, Indiana.
What's the name of the city?
Chesterton, CHESTERTON,
Chesterton,
Indiana,
Indiana, zip code?
46304.
Perfect. All right, and Mr. Rockheim, you're on this file. Also, Ms. Rapp will be in contact with you. She's going to send you paperwork and then give you a date for the sentencing, okay?
Thank you very much, Your Honor. And Judge, for the record, I did upload, I don't know how helpful it is, but I uploaded the plea form to.
And
the-
I'll send it to Ms.
chat.
Rapp.
So just so you have it. Okay.
Yep,
Thank
I
you
will,
very
and I
much.
will
Thank you.
forward it to her.
Thank
All
you.
right, thank you very
you.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yep, I see it on here too. Yeah, can you email it to me too? Because I don't
I
know
did
that
you-
I can.
I did that
You
as
did?
well. Yep,
Yeah,
I did
like,
that
because
already.
I don't know how to upload it to my email from there.
Nope.
Ms. Parker,
All
we're waiting on your attorney.
right, so I'm going to
Okay.
sign off, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, you're all set. Thank you. Mr. Bailey,
Thank
Ms. Rapp will be in contact.
Thank you,
You
Ms.
gotta
Moore.
fill out the
Thank you.
paperwork and respond to her, okay?
Okay, have a good one. Thank you.
Thank you, you too.